Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys. My name is amirobob and I know I have been a little bit away from YouTube. Inshallah I am back with another video today. There was a lot of busy schedules guys. We're gonna be seeing, or we're gonna be watching some impressive and some eye-catching buildings I'm going to share with you guys. And I have seen lots of buildings and they are magnificent, you know, like the interior, the exterior design, inside parts, everything guys. I never seen any buildings like this, and I'm going to share with you some of the buildings. Inshallah, I went there by myself in person. The biggest library, one of the biggest library, reference library guys. Let's see some facts about this building. So it lays in 416,000 square feet, and the building is designed by the Canadian architect Raymond Moriyama. The construction began at the end of 1974 and the doors opened in 1977. As you can see, the library has 5 floors. So as you can see, it's a huge library. I don't know how they allow me. Oh guys, this is huge. Subhanallah. Watch out. Over 4 million items on the shelf guys. You will see a bunch of books, like DVDs, brochures and magazines and lots of things. I never seen any huge building like this ever guys, ever. This is huge guys. And the library also hosts a lot of events. So the building underwent renovation and expansion from 2019 to 2014. Reference library is the famous and the largest and also most visited library. So as you can see, it's very huge guys. I had a great time guys. Thanks guys. So these are some facts about this library guys. This is a reference library, and I asked some of the people over there and they told me we cannot like borrow books because this is a reference library. There are like public libraries branches. We can borrow books from there, not from here, because this is a reference library. So guys, it's so beautiful. I can't imagine. When I enter, I was always having a dream to go there. Last time I went there and it was so miraculous. It's huge. And now guys, I'm going to share with you one of the best public library that I use. This is a bit teeny and good library. It's lots of books over here guys, and in general there are over 100 branches guys, and my favorite one is this one. And that's all everyone. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing. For the next 2-3 days I'm going to share with you some beautiful architectural designs, buildings, and inshallah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.